Now you're going to click the link in today's lesson and read, here's how the US housing market has been impacted by the 2008 crash. As you read, please consider the reading focus. How does the economy impact homeownership in the United States? You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. In your reading response journal, you're going to select 2 to 3 of the main ideas in Here's How the Housing Market Has Been Impacted from the 2008 Crash. For each main idea, you're going to identify who, what, when, where, how, and why. Remember that summaries are a way of demonstrating understanding. They are a brief statement of the main or most important points of a text, a discussion, or your understanding of a concept, idea, topic, or issue. Remember that when you summarize a text, it is best not to include personal opinions. Rather, you should describe what happened as factually as possible while leaving out any unimportant details. As you're completing this, I want you to consider the following. What stands out as important in the information presented in this text? What is this text mainly about, otherwise known as its topic? What do you learn about the topic as you read? What stands out as important in the ideas of the text? How do the ideas and information in the text relate to what you already think or know? In what ways has the author supported or not supported the ideas in the text? How are the ideas organized and sequenced, and what do they add up to? How might you summarize what you have read in this text? You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Using your answers to the questions in the previous activity, you're going to write a summary of Here's How the Housing Market Has Been Impacted from the 2008 Crash in your reading response journal. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Now you are going to answer the questions to evaluate the information in Here's How the Housing Market Has Been Impacted from the 2008 Crash. You're going to write your response in your reading response journal. You will need to support your response with evidence from the text. The questions that you will be answering are, what is one data-based finding about homeownership in the United States? What is one source for the data cited in the article? How reliable do you think that data might be? As you answer these questions, I want you to think about the following. How is the data being presented in this article? How is it presented? What is presented? Trulia is a real estate website. So therefore, how trustworthy or reliable do you think this data might be? You will have 15 minutes to answer these questions completely and fully in your reading response journal. Congratulations! You have finished Section 1, Lesson 4 of the Homeownership Unit. You made connections between trends in society and the dream of homeownership and assessed the perspective and reliability of a text.